Chicken. It's a staple on dinner plates across the globe. From crispy fried chicken to hearty stews, this versatile meat is a culinary mainstay. Today, the majority of chicken meat originates from massive, highly efficient industrial facilities. These mega factories are capable of raising millions of chickens under one roof. Imagine a single facility housing tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of chickens in climate-controlled, biosecure environments. The journey from a humble chicken egg to a tender, juicy piece of meat is a carefully orchestrated process. Traditional farming methods simply couldn't keep up with the demand. By optimizing every stage of the chicken's life cycle, mega factories could produce vast quantities of poultry at remarkably low costs. Concerns about animal welfare, environmental impact, and the potential risks of disease outbreaks fueled heated debates. However, the efficiency and affordability of mega factories solidified their place as the dominant force in global poultry production. Step inside a modern chicken mega factory, and you'll be greeted by a symphony of automated systems. Our journey begins with the humble egg, carefully incubated in massive temperature-controlled chambers. From there, the chicks are moved to spacious climate-controlled barns, where they'll spend the next few weeks growing to their market weight. Every aspect of their environment is meticulously managed, from the temperature and humidity to the lighting and ventilation. Automated systems deliver precisely formulated feed, ensuring the chickens receive the optimal balance of nutrients for rapid, healthy growth. Our journey into the heart of the chicken mega factory begins in a dimly lit room humming with a low, rhythmic hum. Rows upon rows of gleaming metal cabinets stretch as far as the eye can see, each one a technological marvel, a high-tech incubator. Inside these climate-controlled wombs, millions of eggs rest on slowly rotating trays, mimicking the gentle turning a mother hen would provide. Every element within these chambers, temperature, humidity, even air circulation, is precisely calibrated to replicate the ideal conditions for embryonic development. Every few minutes, a soft whirring sound breaks the silence as the trays gently rotate, ensuring each egg receives uniform warmth and optimal positioning for the developing embryo inside. In this controlled environment, the fragile spark of life within each eggshell is given the best possible chance to thrive. The success of the incubation process hinges on a delicate dance between technology and biology. Within each incubator, an array of sensors constantly monitors every variable: temperature, humidity, carbon dioxide levels, ensuring the environment remains perfectly calibrated for the developing embryos. Automated systems adjust ventilation, humidity, and even the turning of the trays, ensuring the embryos remain in a state of perfect equilibrium. The constant vigilance of the sensors ensures that every egg receives the optimal conditions for development, maximizing the chances of a successful hatch. Every batch of eggs provides valuable insights, allowing the mega factory to constantly refine its methods and improve efficiency. As the incubation period nears its end, the transformation within each egg reaches its peak. The once inert yolk has transformed into a living, breathing chick, preparing to break free from its calcium carbonate shell and enter the world. The rhythmic hum of the machinery is now punctuated by the faintest of chirps, the first signs of life from within the eggs. The incubators are designed to maintain a slightly higher humidity level in the final days before hatching. This softens the eggshells, making it easier for the chicks to break free. As the chicks hatch, they tumble out of their shells, wet and exhausted, but miraculously alive. The newly hatched chicks, still damp and clinging to the remnants of their shells, are gently removed from the incubator trays. The chicks are carefully placed on a conveyor belt, their tiny bodies jostling gently as they're transported to the next stage of their short lives, the broiler house. Here, they'll spend the next few weeks in a climate-controlled environment, meticulously designed to maximize their growth rate and feed conversion efficiency. This controlled environment, however artificial it may appear, is designed to provide the chicks with everything they need to thrive: warmth, food, water, and protection from predators and disease. The mega factory has become a surrogate mother to millions of chicks, but it also raises profound questions about our relationship with the natural world and the ethical implications of industrial animal agriculture. The conveyor belt delivers its precious cargo, a sea of fluffy yellow chicks, into a vast, brightly lit space. This is the broiler house, the heart of the chicken mega factory, where the chicks will spend the next few weeks growing from fragile hatchlings to plump, market-ready broilers. The air inside is surprisingly warm and humid, carefully calibrated to mimic the comforting embrace of a mother hen. Giant fans circulate the air, maintaining a constant temperature and preventing the buildup of ammonia from the bird's waste. Thousands of chicks are housed together in a relatively confined space, their movements restricted to maximize growth and minimize energy expenditure. The broiler house is a marvel of modern engineering, a testament to our ability to create artificial environments that optimize animal production. Within the controlled environment of the broiler house, every aspect of the chicks' lives is carefully managed, starting with their diet. Automated feeders, suspended from the ceiling, run the length of the broiler house, delivering a constant supply of feed to the hungry chicks. The feed itself is a carefully formulated blend of grains, protein sources, vitamins and minerals, designed to provide the optimal balance of nutrients for rapid muscle development. Every ingredient serves a specific purpose, from promoting bone growth to enhancing feather development. The chickens, driven by instinct, peck eagerly at the feed, their bodies converting the nutrients into muscle and bone with remarkable efficiency. Within a matter of weeks, they'll reach their market weight, a testament to the power of a carefully controlled diet and environment. Maintaining the health of thousands of chickens in a confined space is no easy feat. Disease can spread like wildfire in such a densely populated environment, potentially wiping out entire flocks in a matter of days. That's why biosecurity is paramount in a chicken megafactory. Workers and visitors alike must adhere to rigorous hygiene procedures, including showering and changing into sterile clothing, before entering the broiler house. The chickens themselves are closely monitored for any signs of illness. The megafactory employs a multi-layered approach to disease prevention, combining physical barriers with vaccination programs and strategic medication. From chick to broiler, a race against time. Time is money in the world of industrial chicken production. The goal is to get the birds to market weight as quickly and efficiently as possible, maximizing profit margins. Within a matter of weeks, they've transformed from fluffy, helpless chicks into plump, feathered broilers, their bodies now several times their original size. The broiler house, once a cacophony of chirps and squawks, has settled into a more subdued rhythm. Soon they'll be loaded onto trucks and transported to processing plants, their short lives culminating in a whirlwind of feathers, blood, and automated machinery. Choreographed efficiency, the clockwork of production. Stepping back from the sights and sounds of the broiler house, we begin to appreciate the sheer scale and complexity of the chicken megafactory. Every aspect of the operation, from the delivery of feed and water to the removal of waste, is carefully choreographed to maximize output and minimize downtime. Conveyor belts snake their way through the facility, transporting chicks, feed, and waste with balletic precision. Automated systems monitor temperature, humidity, and air quality, ensuring optimal conditions for growth and minimizing the risk of disease. Here, within the controlled environment of the megafactory, every variable is accounted for, every risk mitigated. A human touch in a mechanized world, the workforce. While automation plays a crucial role in the chicken megafactory, it's important to remember that behind the scenes, a dedicated workforce keeps the operation running smoothly. These are the unseen hands that tend to the chicks, monitor the machinery, and ensure the smooth flow of production. Their work is often physically demanding, requiring long hours on their feet in hot, humid conditions. The megafactory, for all its reliance on technology, is still ultimately a human endeavor. Section 3. Beyond the factory walls, logistics and distribution. The journey of a chicken from egg to plate doesn't end at the megafactory. In fact, it's just the beginning of a much larger and intricate process that ensures these birds make it to our tables. Once the birds reach market weight, a complex logistical operation swings into action, ensuring a steady supply of fresh poultry to consumers across the country and beyond. This involves meticulous planning and coordination. Refrigerated trucks, their trailers emblazoned with the logos of major poultry producers, rumble out of the factory gates, their precious cargo destined for processing plants, supermarkets, and restaurants. These trucks are equipped with state-of-the-art refrigeration systems to maintain the freshness of the poultry. This is the final leg of a journey that began weeks earlier in the incubation chambers, a testament to the interconnectedness of our modern food system. From the moment the eggs are placed in the incubators, every step is carefully monitored and controlled. The logistics of transporting millions of chickens from rural megafactories to urban centers are staggering. It involves a fleet of trucks traveling thousands of miles, navigating through various terrains and weather conditions. It requires a carefully coordinated network of trucks, drivers, processing plants, and distribution centers, all working in sync to ensure that fresh poultry arrives at its destination on time and in optimal condition. The drivers play a crucial role, often working long hours to meet tight deadlines. This intricate web of transportation and distribution is a marvel of modern logistics, a testament to our ability to move vast quantities of food across long distances with remarkable efficiency. The entire system is designed to minimize delays and maximize freshness. Yet it's also a system vulnerable to disruptions, as recent supply chain challenges have demonstrated. Events like natural disasters, pandemics, and geopolitical tensions can cause significant delays and shortages, highlighting the fragility of our food supply chain. The chicken megafactory, for all its scale and sophistication, is not a static entity. It's a constantly evolving system, driven by advances in technology, changing consumer preferences, and the ever-present need to improve efficiency and sustainability. The future of chicken production lies in data. Sensors embedded throughout the megafactory collect a treasure trove of information on everything from temperature and humidity to feed consumption and bird behavior. This data, when analyzed using sophisticated algorithms, can be used to optimize every aspect of the operation, from incubation rates to feed conversion ratios. Imagine a future where artificial intelligence monitors the health and well-being of individual birds, identifying potential problems before they escalate. Imagine a future where robots assist human workers with the most demanding tasks, improving efficiency and reducing the risk of injury. The chicken megafactory, once a symbol of industrial agriculture at its most impersonal, may yet become a testing ground for a more sustainable and humane approach to animal production, one where data and technology are used to enhance, rather than replace, the human touch. Our journey through the chicken megafactory has given us a glimpse into a world few ever witness. A world of astonishing efficiency, technological marvel, and a relentless focus on production. This is a place where every second counts, and every movement is calculated to maximize output. The scale of operations here is truly mind-boggling, with thousands of chickens processed every hour, each step meticulously planned and executed. We've seen how science and technology have converged to transform the humble chicken into a global commodity, feeding billions at an unprecedented scale. From genetic selection to automated feeding systems, every aspect of chicken production has been optimized for efficiency. The result is a supply chain that stretches across the globe, ensuring that chicken is available in supermarkets and restaurants everywhere at any time. But this abundance comes at a price. The contrast between free-range chickens and those raised in factory settings is stark. While free-range chickens roam and forage, factory-farmed chickens live in confined spaces, often under stressful conditions. This raises important questions about the quality of life for these animals and the ethical implications of our food choices. The megafactory, for all its efficiency, raises profound questions about animal welfare, environmental impact, and the future of our food system. The environmental footprint of such large-scale operations is significant, contributing to pollution and resource depletion. Moreover, the ethical debate surrounding factory farming continues to grow, as more people become aware of the conditions in which these animals are raised. The sight of thousands of birds confined to cramped artificial environments, their lives dictated by the relentless rhythms of industrial production, is unsettling, to say the least. These chickens are bred for rapid growth, often at the expense of their health and well-being. The sheer scale of this operation can be overwhelming, making it easy to overlook the individual lives affected by this system. It's easy to feel a sense of disconnect between the sterile, controlled environment of the megafactory and the bucolic image of traditional farming. The idyllic scenes of chickens pecking in the grass seem worlds apart from the reality of industrial production. This disconnect can make it difficult for consumers to fully grasp the implications of their food choices. Yet, we must remember that the choices we make as consumers, our demand for cheap, readily available protein, have played a significant role in driving this transformation. Every purchase we make sends a signal to producers about what we value. By prioritizing cost and convenience, we have inadvertently supported a system that prioritizes efficiency over welfare. The megafactory is a product of our time, a reflection of our values, and a challenge to our conscience. It embodies the advancements and efficiencies of modern agriculture, but also the ethical and environmental dilemmas we face. As we continue to innovate and improve, we must also consider the broader impacts of our actions. As we marvel at its efficiency, we must also grapple with its implications, seeking a more sustainable and humane path forward for ourselves and the animals we depend on. This means exploring alternatives, supporting ethical practices, and making informed choices that align with our values. The future of our food system depends on the decisions we make today. From the moment it hatches in a climate-controlled incubator to its final journey to the processing plant, the broiler chicken's life is a testament to human ingenuity. Every stage of its existence has been meticulously designed to optimize growth, maximize feed efficiency, and minimize disease. Over the past century, we've witnessed a remarkable transformation in poultry production. What was once a seasonal, localized industry has become a global behemoth, capable of delivering fresh chicken to consumers year-round. This transformation has been fueled by a relentless cycle of innovation, with each new generation of poultry farmers building on the successes and learning from the mistakes of those who came before. We've seen how selective breeding, improved nutrition, and advances in veterinary medicine have dramatically increased the growth rate and resilience of broiler chickens. We've witnessed the rise of sophisticated climate-controlled housing systems, automated feeding and watering systems, and data-driven management practices. The broiler chicken's journey, from egg to plate, is a testament to our ability to manipulate nature to our will. But it also serves as a cautionary tale, a reminder that even the most well-intentioned interventions can have unintended consequences. As we look to the future of food production, we face a daunting challenge: how to feed a growing global population that is expected to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050, while ensuring the well-being of animals and protecting the health of our planet. This means adopting practices that are not only efficient but also sustainable and ethical. The chicken megafactory, for all its flaws, offers a glimpse into one possible future. A future where technology plays an even greater role in shaping our food system. These factories are designed to maximize output and minimize costs, but they also raise significant ethical and environmental concerns. It's a future where data analytics, artificial intelligence, and robotics could further optimize efficiency, making it possible to monitor and manage every aspect of farming with unprecedented precision, reduce waste, and improve animal welfare. Advanced technologies can help in reducing the carbon footprint of farms and ensuring that animals are treated more humanely. Imagine a future where chicken farms are powered by renewable energy such as solar or wind power, their environmental impact minimized through innovative waste management systems that recycle waste into useful byproducts. But technology alone is not enough. We must also consider the social and ethical implications of these advancements. We must also engage in a broader conversation about our values, involving communities, farmers, and consumers in the dialogue, our priorities, and the kind of food system we want to create. Should we focus solely on efficiency, or should we also prioritize sustainability and ethics? Do we prioritize efficiency above all else, accepting the trade-offs inherent in industrial animal agriculture such as environmental degradation and ethical concerns? Accepting the trade-offs inherent in industrial animal agriculture? These trade-offs often include issues like animal welfare, environmental impact, and the quality of the food produced. Or do we seek a more balanced approach, one that integrates both modern technology and traditional farming practices, one that respects the needs of animals, ensuring they live in humane conditions, the environment, and future generations? This balanced approach could help in creating a food system that is both productive and sustainable. The chicken megafactory stands as a potent symbol of our complex relationship with food. It represents both the potential and the pitfalls of modern agriculture. It's a reminder that our choices have consequences, affecting not just the present but also the future of our planet. And that the future of our food system is not predetermined. We have the power to shape it through our decisions and actions. It's a future we must write together, involving collaboration between scientists, farmers, policymakers, and consumers. Guided by a commitment to sustainability, ensuring that our farming practices do not deplete resources or harm the environment, ethics, and a deep respect for all living things. Only then can we create a food system that is truly just and sustainable for all.